pretty close. What the fuck? Why is it sticking? Don't let that oil pop out to you from that. Heat the joint and then put the solder on there.
Heat what joint? This?
No, that's the joint is the thing, the pipe and the coupling. Nah, don't heat up the rod yet. Heat up the pipe. Heat up the pipe. Heat it up. Heat up that the male and then the female. We'll be back in 10 minutes.
So you can spread your heat more, just back it up. Back it up. Heat up the joint, not the rod.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, all that you can use to fill up your deal. So just heat up your joint up and down. Yeah, go up and down just like you did. You move all that. You don't need no more rod. Just heat up the joint. Back up. Go up and down. Up and down the joint. There you go, man. A little higher. There you go. Take it down.
Here's the final touch. Forgot to get it earlier, but didn't do too bad. Passed the test. Not bad for first time. We did put some pressure in it. The only time it was leaking was right here, but there's a bunch of oil in here. We'll just cut it off. He welded all this. You can do it.